Controls window. Magnifier.
Hi students, this is Code Beyond Set YouTube channel. Today we will learn about set in Python programming. This is very important concept, so you understand this concept. Okay, what is set? The set is a one of the operation or concept in Python. So what is set? This set is a collection of element like a list tuple, but the set has unique feature. This is once we create the set, we cannot include the duplicate elements. For example, many datas duplicate in list and tuples. Uh, in many chances available duplicate data. For example, apple, ball, and Agathian, like this. But set, you don't insert the duplicate data. This is the set is clear the or remove the duplicate data. For real world example, um, for example, I will write the code, simple code.
Set.py dash.
In For example, student
S T
management app.
U D E S E student A G E managed. Space M E S E med space S O F T W A R E software.
Student management software. Okay, that software only store the unique name of the student names. For example, I
S
create the
T
student
U
variable
D E S E student space
student
space equals
students.
left
I
bracket
create the
quote
variable
A G A T H I Y A N
list. Sorry, I
blank
create the
right bracket
list.
comma quote
And again
quote comma quote SARA Sarah A Sarah blank
Sarah,
right bracket comma quote RAJA
Raja,
blank right bracket comma quote SAARA
Sarah,
blank right bracket comma quote AGATHIYAN Agathian
Agathian.
blank
Okay, this
student
list has the many duplicate values, so
blank
we remove that values, so that time use the set constraint.
P R P
For
R P
example,
R I S E
of
print SET
set
set left
set
parent
of
ST
students, you use the set keyword. Set of means round left bracket and right round bracket. You mention the variable name
U D E S E student
student.
blank
Okay, I print
terminal LER clear blank no res PYTHON hyphen S no ET set no results found for tick clear accessible view comma x left brace tick Zara tick comma tick Raja tick comma tick Agathian tick right brace PS left brace tick Zara tick comma tick Raja tick comma tick Agathian tick right brace.
you can hear or see um, the three name is available, the duplicate name is removed. So this is a main feature. If you software, if if you if you want to your software is don't unique elements, unique data. If you don't duplicate data and duplicate names, you use the set. So the set is very important. This is very uh, crucial concept. So
Main
again,
landmarks
how to create the set? This is only example.
blank print
Don't
quote T software
confuse
then
this.
right pair number print
So how to create the set?
F
I
R
create the
U
fruits.
I fruit F R U I E S
Fruits.
fruits equals
If you want to create the set, you use
left
the
brace left brace
brace,
quote
quotes,
quote
fruits,
A P E L E
apple,
right brace comma quote G R A P E
grapes,
right brace comma quote C H E E R Y
cherry.
cherry blank
Okay, I print
P R I S E print S S F R U I E S fruits
fruits.
blank.
means okay.
Terminal 1C ER clear. No results. Accept left brace tick cherry tick comma tick apple tick comma tick grape tick right brace.
you 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 can't hear this set is print. So if you want to
Main
add the
landmarks.
element in set, use
Line
this
feet.
keyword add. That means
S S
you
F
type
R
fruit
U I T S fruits
dot
A
add.
D D add
Of
left
means
parent left parent
left parent,
right line feed right parent
right parent. The both left and right parent inside declare the element name or data.
quote
Element I'm at banana.
B A N A N A
Banana.
banana line P R I N T print left F R U I T S fruits
Fruits. Okay. This time
terminal 1 C L E R clear. No results found for tick. File left brace tick apple tick comma tick grape tick comma tick banana tick
the
comma tick
banana
cherry
is
tick
added.
main landmarks.
Okay. Next is if you want to remove the element from set,
P
use
P
the remove keyword.
F F F R U I T S fruits R E M O V E left parent
Remove
quote
uh,
B A N A N A banana line
remove banana.
P R I N T print left F R U I T S fruits
Fruits. Okay.
terminal 1 C L E R clear. No results found. Accessible left brace tick apple tick comma tick grape tick comma tick cherry tick right brace.
The banana is removed. So
Main landmarks.
this is
Fruit blank.
This is
Print left blank. Fruit print blank. Fruit print left blank. Print left parent. Fruits right parent. Blank.
so this time
Blank. Blank.
I write the code for basic set operations. Set operations is very important.
S E T set
It's,
space.
set mostly using mathematical formulas. So we can using union intersection and difference. So in set
O E E P E R A T I O N S operations number.
okay.
Line feed.
I'm a created
C.
two variable.
C S E T 1 set 1 left brace 1 1 left brace
Calculation.
1 1 2 2 3
Three.
line
And
S
create
E
another,
T
variable,
2
set 2
set 2 left brace 3 3 3 3 dot comma 4 4 4 4 5 line feed
so I'm using
P R I N T print left S E T 1 set 1 dot U N I O N
union
union left parent
union of set
S
2.
E T
I'll check the union
2
of union means the commonly using this. So remove the duplicates. So that means union
union selected
one. This time print 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the so combine the
union set 2 terminal C L E R clear U no results access left brace 1 comma
you can see 1
left brace 1 comma space 2 comma space 3 comma space 4 comma space 5
that means combine the two sets, remove the duplicate element.
terminal
Same,
main landmark blank
again
P R I N T print left parent S E T
set
2
sorry,
2
set
1 1 dot I N
intersection.
T E R
Intersection means common. Intersection.
S E C T I O N
Intersection
intersect S E T 2
sector.
blank
The two sets That means that set 1,
Set 2 equals set
set
1
2.
equals
The
comma
set
2
1,
comma 1 comma
1,
2
3.
comma
The set 2 has 3, 4, 5. The both sets, the unique value is 3. The
2
the
comma
2 the
1
2 is available in set the 1 is available in set 2. No. The 2 is available in set 2. No. The 3 is available is set 2. Yes, the 3 is available in set 2. So
set to blank print left parent blank
the set 2 is the 3 is print. That means combine the both datas, get the unique unique element in the both sets. The unique element is 3. The both set.
main terminal 1 CLEAR clear blank no access left brace 3 right brace
3 is a 3.
main landmark
So difference. That means difference.
blank PRINT print left SET
Set
set dot 1 dot
set dot different
DIFF
different
ENC
difference
CN
differ
RENCE difference blank right
Difference.
parent left parent SET2
this time what which value is print. We check
set 1
the
selected
difference of the set,
set 1
1.
unselected
The difference any values available in set 2. So you check 1, 2, 3 in set 2. Sorry, set 1. This is available, any values available in set 2. The set 2 has 3, 4, 5. The set 1, 1, 2, 3. The any values is available in set 2. So only the difference is 1, 2. This time is print.
set 2 terminal 1 comma CLER clear blank no access left brace 1 comma 2 right brace
The 1 and 2. The 1 and 2 is printed. So this is set of set
main
concept.
landmark
This
set
is
dot
very
py editor
useful
as auto
for
complete
you.
multi-line set 1 equals
If you want to create any if you want to create unique and mathematical formulas, you use set concept. So if you have any doubts and clarification, just mail to me or comment in YouTube comment section, and definitely I will reply you. Okay, bye. Let's wait.
magnifier start stop